How to play with all teams on eFootball. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are actually going to learn how we can play using all of the teams available in eFootball 24. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to play with all the teams on your eFootball 2024, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now, if you go to the match section and try to search for an eFootball league or event or something like that, you can't choose a custom team. Now, there is definitely a career mode option over here, which is my league option here, which you can choose any team to start your league with and play with them. But let's say you want only an exhibition match with a custom team from your side as well as also from the opponent's side. Then for that, what we actually have to do is we'll simply let this one to go. First of all, for that you simply have to go to trial match and then start a trial match. On trial match, what happens is that you can choose any country as you would be able to find here. So you can choose from South America or from North and Central America or from Europe, as you would be able to say from Spanish league. And once then you can select that, and then you can just choose other options and select another team and tap on next, and then now you can simply go ahead and then start your match. This way you'll be able to play with all teams or any teams on eFootball 2024. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.